chips and a bath. Can't forget the bath. And that's when some old head, like he was fiending. He was trying to get $1 from me hard as shit. And I'm like, nah, you can't get $1.
See, give me $1.
What you gonna do with the $1?
I want buy me something.
You can't get $1. And then I walked out the store.
You couldn't get $1?
Yes, bro. You couldn't get $1. I did not know old head. He was not getting $1.
I needed it.
My bitch bad shit real quick, run this crib where drugs at, run this crib where funds at, money all up but you trust that, we want the guns, the funds and all, we want the guns, the funds and all, we want the guns, the funds and all, we want the guns, the funds and my bitch bad shit real quick, run.
It's 10th Street Lodge,
2 Wavy Nas,
aka Slime and Slat. No bet. The channel with no filter, you feel me? So today we got a little story time for y'all. You know, we've been a little busy, a little distant from the channel, but we back. We want to drop a little thorough story time vid. Anyways, today's story time is about first time getting fried. He gonna go first. He's gonna go first. But yeah, it's a little thorough, interesting topic. But go ahead.
Oh, we starting right now, right? Alright, pause it. Alright, let me just say the same thing. Alright, my first time getting fried, I remember because it was a holiday. So, it was July 4th. So, you know, July 4th, we popping up Pennsylvania and shit. So, this like, my 10th grade year. Like, yeah, I was like, it was my 10th grade year summer. So, I'm about to go to 11. So, we all down Pennsylvania and shit, me and my niggas. So, you know, everybody smoking and shit like that. So I'm like, I don't want to see what that shit feel like one time pause. So, fucking listening to everybody rolling up and shit. So I told my man, hey, it was far. I don't even know. Told him as far as it was passing the joint, it was probably little. Definitely probably G's. So G's passing the joint and shit. I was smoking here, bro. The whole time I'm down here drawing this shit. And I don't know I'm fried, but I know I'm fried. Shit, like, I started wobbling and shit. Like,
He said wobbling.
My eyes blue as shit.
Yo,
Right though.
right, he said wobbling, yo.
I ain't walk straight, like my head a little dizzy. I ain't feeling like myself. So yeah, like, that shit was it. Like, I got home and like, I think this one, oh shit, that shit was popping. Like, I think it was funny though.
Yo, okay.
But yeah, so you know, after that, everybody joined up Pennsylvania and shit. So, man, I'm like in 10th grade. So, the cops come and shit. I go all the way to the train and shit. I got home at like 12.
Yeah, alright.
Then the crib went to sleep. Then I got something to eat first. Then I went to sleep. That shit was good.
Yeah, it's the boy from 10th Street turn to tell you his first time getting fried. Me, my first time getting fried, getting high. Sheesh. Alright, so I'm gonna start y'all with the background story. So I was like, when I started smoking, I got started off with blizzards, with blacks, basically. Cause you know, it's like, if you gonna get into that type thing, I'm pretty sure that was everybody first started off with black. So like, yeah, I started off with a black and all that. So like, I think it was like 3 days after I smoked a black, Cav had called me. And this when me and Cav go to the same school, so Cav had called me, he like, yo, where you at? I'm like, I'm in the crib. He like, come to the park. I'm gonna roll up. I'm like, you gotta roll some gas? He like, yeah, I'm gonna roll some gas. So I'm like, all right. So I go over there. It was Cav. I think it was Will. It was Keem over there and all that. They was rolling up. They was all coming out from high school. I mean, it was like coming home and they just like stopped at the park and all that. So I was in rotation, so Kev's like, yeah, pass my ammo to L, you gonna hit it. I'm like, alright. So, like when I was hitting it, Kev's like, bro, go like. So go hit your chest and shit like that. So I'm like, alright. So, hitting that joint heavy. Like I did it before. I'm hitting that shit crazy. Like an NBA pool, bro.
A lot.
Taking everything, like no smoke's coming out. So I ain't feel it until after we was done. So I'm like, I'm looking at Kev like I'm the man. Like I'm looking at him with the look like, yeah, nigga, that shit ain't nothing. That's when, all you know is, bro, I go to the court. I felt it, like that shit just hit me, like, hit me hard as shit. Like, yo, I'm high as shit. Like literally, I looked up in the sky and I felt like I was floating on some cool shit. I ain't even gonna cap to, I was fucking beat. I had cotton mouth like a motherfucker. And I was hungry as shit. So I went to the store. I ordered my little hoagie, got some chips and a bath. Can't forget the bath. And that's when some old head, like he was fiending. He was trying to get $1 from me hard as shit. And I'm like, nah, you can't get $1.
See, give me $1.
What you gonna do with the $1?
I want to buy me something.
But I went back to the park because I wanted to stay there because it was like my first time getting fried. So I'm just bidding and all that. And Bernie had a flag football game going on that day too. He had a flag football game going on that day too. So I was sitting there bidding with Jermaine when I was fried. Like it was just bidding. And that's how I'm like, yo, y'all grinding hard as shit on the field. Y'all ass. It was just bidding on them niggas. That's just, when I came home like later that night, I came home like 10 at night on a school night. Man, I got a head. Ate damn near half of the refrigerator. And went right upstairs and fell asleep. And then, that was my first job. Oh, not to mention, they was all backwoods, so they was hitting my chest too. Shit was thorough. But yeah.
That was a fly, bro.
He boxing the fly, got it. Yeah.
Bro, I swatted at one time, bro. Relax. Relax, bro.
But it's 10th Street Lodge.
289.
AKA Slimin.
Slugs. Fat.
Like again, like these just stories we just letting the public know, just to know what's more as people and shit like that. So we just being thorough, like y'all niggas know what's up and shit like that. But yeah, we really fuck with y'all. We fuck with the support. Fuck with all the love we been getting. Just, you mean, share with your friends, you mean, and shit like that. And we got y'all. So again, 10th Street Lodge.
2, number 2, Wavy, Nas.
You mean, follow us. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Like I always say, you don't need to be new to the channel. Just subscribe, you feel me? And we out.
My bitch bad shit real quick, run this crib where drugs at, run this crib where funds at, money all up but you trust that, we want the guns, the funds and all, we want the guns, the funds and all, we want the guns, the funds and all, we want the guns, the funds and my bitch bad shit real quick, run this crib where drugs at, run this crib where funds at, money all up but you trust that,